We'll be going over how to use the design tools that's in Canvas to create accordions, expanders, and tabs. Go to a page that you want to edit. So when you hit edit, once you're in edit mode, you'll see a red rocket looking on the top right, which is the design tools. When you open it, you want to look for the advanced elements accordions tabs. If you don't see this feature, click on the cogwheel settings and look for the advanced elements and just make sure it's enabled. By default, a lot of these features aren't enabled, so you just need to go open it, go under settings and enable it. So once it's enabled, you'll see this option. Click on it and you want to add as block. So that way you'll create a new sort of like a sandbox area to add all these accordions. So I'm going to start with a tab. So once you add the block, you want to tell it what kind of block you want to make it. So I want to make it a tab. So it automatically changes this to a tab, and you want to give that tab a name. So we'll do week 1. You want to add more tabs, just add a panel. So week 2, and you keep going until you're done. I'm just going to stop at week 4. Right. So now I want to put content in the tab. So here I'll show an example of a expander first. So you type in your materials, and then if you want to add expander inside the tab, this time instead of as a block, you want to add as a cursor, because if you add a block, it'll add it outside. So I want to add it inside the tab. So you do add cursor, and you select the type you want. So I'm going to do expander first. Oh, actually, let's do accordion. Right. So in here, accordion, and then you give this a title. So we're going to read first. Then we watch, and we'll complete. Okay, so within week 1, we have read, watch, complete. So you do the same thing you want to do week 2. Week 2, I'll add the expander. And then you do the same thing, put the cursor inside week 2. You say add a cursor. And then this one, I'm going to change it to expander. And this is nice because it actually color codes the different types. So the week is teal, the accordion's blue, expander's yellow, mustard color. So this will be read. Add another panel. Watch. And complete. So it looks faded, but when you save it, it's going to look different. Looks correct. So same thing, week 3, you do the same thing. You add a cursor, and I'll just do another expander. Read. Watch. Complete. Right. And I'll leave week 4 as is. So now I am going to save it. So here are my tabs that I created first, and each tab has the accordion. So this is how accordion looks like. You can only open one at a time. Expander lets you expand each one, so you can keep them all open. You can collapse them. Right, so week 3 and week 4, how there's no content, but there's content, but there's no tabs. So let's say you want to change this back to expander, or you can even move it around. So I'm going to go back in here, launch the design tools. Right, and then let's say I want to change the accordion to expander. So you just move your cursor to that section, open this back up and then change it to expander, and it changes that whole section accordingly. Now let's say I want to move this part to the top, right beneath the banner image. You hit edit, create edit content, and you want to add and rearrange the content blocks. So this allows you to move this up to the top, closer to the banner image. You can even move this above the banner image, but that will look really weird. So I'm gonna move it back down. Oh, there you go. So when I'm done, just hit save. Right, so now you have the banner image and then your tabs and then my contact information. And now this is no longer an accordion, but this is an expander.